Let me see something else.
Hey Sammy Cat Crew, how you do? How you do? Welcome back to another video. Whew, all right, y'all. We just left out of Kiki's Chicken and Waffle. One thing I can say about Kiki's this time, it wasn't as
Something wrong with they serve.
good as it was the first time. But anyway, I'm still hungry. Y'all. So now we about to go into Walmart, see what we can find. We'll see y'all in there.
Smell like that waffle, isn't it?
Yeah, that nasty waffle. All right, y'all, we in Sam's Club now. We're not getting much because we got to go to the hotel, so.
Oh, that's a little.
Oh, apples. Y'all want an apple? No, they're not. All right, y'all, we made it to the room. Here is the bathroom, shower, all that good stuff. I like this door right here. It's really, 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 really cute. All right. There are the guys over there. Bed number 1, bed number 2, desk, and oh my gosh, we got a weird view. But there's everything out there. Whew. This is our overnight. Oh, they do have a microwave. This is our overnight little home away from home. And there I am. Y'all remember my little $3 bag I got from Walmart? Here. And then got on my Nikes. We're gonna go back out to find something else to eat because we definitely was not satisfied with Kiki's Chicken and Waffles. We are back at the room, y'all. I had to hurry and get out these shoes. Got on my socks. But oh my goodness. So they left something in the room, in the car. So they went back downstairs to get whatever it is they had to get from out there. But I had to come in and take my shoes off because those shoes were killing me, child. And we brought some food back from B-Dubs. Darius got it looked like he didn't eat nothing, y'all. And Jaquan brought something back, and then I brought what we had from Kiki's Chicken and Waffles. And now we about to relax because your girl is tired. I'm sleepy. And I'm tired. I don't think we going back out tonight. I hope not. Because I'm tired. We done had a day. We had a day today. And I was tired. But we'll see. But if we're gonna go back out tonight or not. But anyway, if we do, I will pop back in and let you guys know what we doing. Y'all see my socks? Them things comfortable, y'all. But anyway, I'll see y'all if we go back out. All right, y'all. I need me some soup, so I'm going to Panera. I went to Panera to get me something. Some soup. I went for chicken noodle soup, y'all. Rung me up and everything, and then tell me at the last minute that they didn't have any chicken noodle soup. So I ended up getting the broccoli and cheddar. So I'm about to go in the room and eat my soup. My stomach was feeling a little nauseous. I think it was something that I ate earlier. But anyway, I'm gonna go in the room and eat my soup. All right, y'all. This soup is really, really, really good. This is the broccoli and cheddar. I would definitely get it again, even though it's not what I asked for. But I would definitely get it again because it's really, really good. First time eating at Panera bread. The bread is hard as a rock, but the soup is good. So, yep. I would definitely get it again. Alright, so I'm going to finish my soup while it's good and hot, because I don't like it when it get cold. What's wrong?
Trying to see what I'm gonna do.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, y'all. A beautiful morning it is, even though it rained some last night. Let me show y'all. Y'all done seen the top of the... Well, anyway, y'all see in the parking lot, it rained some last night. We didn't even hear. We were knocked out. But anyway, we are up. It is 8:43. And we are about to head on out. We got to go by Publix. Y'all already know when there's a Publix around, we got to go. Y'all, look at one of my shirts. I don't know what that is. Anyway, I just got on something cool. Something cool. Shirt, leggings, jeggings, and my shoes. I didn't want to pack too much for overnight. Sometimes I overdo it, thinking I'm going to be gone for 7 days and it's only overnight. So that's why I just pack, something that I can wear, especially shoes I can wear the next day also. So anyway, so we about to head on out, y'all. We about to go to Publix, and we'll see y'all a little bit later. My favorite store welcomes me. I just wish it was a little bit closer. I wish I had some food. I did not know that. We accept coupons from competitors, food like. Ooh, I know now. All right, y'all. I come in here for a few things. Let's see how this turns out. All right, y'all. So we picked up the mixed, what is it? Peppers and onions, $4.99. And then we got some stuffed baby bella mushrooms, $5.99. On to the next, girl. On to the next. Y'all, look what Sam found. Tell him what you found.
Curry chicken.
Curry chicken.
Already ready to cook. Already seasoned.
$2.73.
Yeah.
Yeah, I need my glasses for real.
Chicken with some cut up onion.
We got 2 packs. So y'all know what we gonna do with these right here.
Yep.
Those are going on the grill. All right, y'all. We about to see what else we need.
Yogurt every once in a while.
Yep, they ain't got my cranberry ginger ale. Who? Yeah.
They ain't got no cranberry on.
I don't like this Publix. I thought I did.
That was having a bad day.
Got some fresh lettuce, tomatoes. Can't forget these Natalie's, y'all. We got 2 beets, and then we got 2 pineapple and kale zinc. Oh, we got 3 of them. We got 3 of those. All right, let's see what else we need. What else? What else? What else? Y'all, is this something new to me? Or, because I have never seen the rainbow baby carrots. Y'all comment down below and let me know if y'all have seen the rainbow baby carrots. Because I have never seen them before. Alright, let's see what else we need. Ooh, let me get 2 of these. Y'all like the Florida natural juices? Okay. A 2 for $5. Y'all want Fruit Splash? Which one y'all like? Fruit Splash or... I know y'all don't like the passion fruit. You want 0 sugar? You'll get a fruit punch. Yeah. And, this one ain't got a good selection. Yeah, I'm gonna get the 0 sugar. They ain't gonna have no sugar in it now. Alright, they're gonna have your name on it. Put your name on it right now, Jaquan. Alright. Y'all, they don't have my cranberry ginger ale. I'm so hurt. And this store was my favorite Publix, but then after they built the other one, different areas, I don't like this one no more. They ain't got my cranberry ginger ale. I'm hurt. And I really went looking down the aisle for my cranberry ginger ale. They don't have none. They have the original one. So, and Publix is the only place I can find it. Not this one. I don't know what I'm going to do. All right, y'all. Anyway, we about to finish up and head on out. And if anything, we put anything else in the buggy, we'll let y'all see what it is. But I'm thinking.
Yeah, we can spend some more. We can spend some more.
If not in here, it's gonna be
in here. Barely get a chance to come though.
They ain't really got nothing.
Let's see.
We talking about we gonna.
We went down the aisle.
We talking we gonna spend some more money, y'all. They ain't really got a whole lot of stuff in here.
We gotta go down the aisle.
But anyway, we gotta go down the aisles and see what we missed. Y'all, these are on sale for $1.59. So Sam load the buggy up. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And y'all remember we had these before, and they were pretty good. But these are only the ones that are not selling. So hey, we load the buggy up with them. All right. Yeah, oh my gosh, even the Publix ketchup is high. Look at that, $2.29. And this Hunt's is $2.99. So I might as well get the Hunt's. Ain't that right? Yes, it is. And look at that little thing right there, Heinz. $2.79. This is better for us. We ain't got no more ketchup, child. You see that? Sweet Baby Ray's secret sauce, $2.39. That's a clearance price. Wow. Yeah, the color kind of throw me off too a little bit. That's all. All right. Save $1. So this right here, all right, right? You remember they had a recall on this?
Yeah, it looks so good though. Yeah, this is straight lettuce. They say in them bag.
Oh, the ones in the bag. Okay.
Wet looking.
It do look wet. But if you say it's good, I guess. Okay, y'all. When you seek, you shall find. Look at right here. I got my, and they buy one, get one free. Here, buy one, get one free. So, I stayed in the store long enough and found my drink. I'm so happy now. Alrighty, y'all. We getting ready to head out. Or head to the cash register. Bring it up. We'll see what the damage is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And as always, we will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.